What inspires change? What motivates us? It's what's inside that moves us. What moves you? Get the Scion story at Scion.com.
It has been nearly 3 months since Chad Ryan DeSoto appeared in court, but the media attention in the case has not quite subsided, according to Judiciary spokesman Josh Tenorio. In fact, because of the 3-month break, Tenorio expects more interest as the case develops. Tomorrow, DeSoto is due back in court for a motion hearing, but it's still unclear how the Superior Court plans to accommodate all parties, including media coverage in the case.
Well, we have a limited courtroom, so, the priority of the judge is going to be to make sure that decorum is preserved and that the defendant's rights for a fair trial are not violated.
When the tragedy was first reported in February, international media interest, specifically Japanese, was at its peak. Dozens of Japanese media were sent to Guam to cover the story. All 3 murder victims were Japanese tourists. Most of the 11 other victims were also tourists as well. The courtroom was crammed when DeSoto, accused of plowing his car into the plaza sidewalk, then stabbing people at random, made his first appearance, forcing some people to wait outside. And while most cases get less attention as they progress until trial, media attention has persisted in the DeSoto case.
This is a unique situation that we have, but and I guess periodically in court systems across the country they deal with this kind of interest when things happen. Definitely the most that Guam's ever seen because of the nature of the situation. There hasn't this I would say is pretty unprecedented.
And while public accommodation for tomorrow's hearing is still being finalized, going forward, Tenorio says the judiciary plans to meet with various stakeholders to discuss future accommodations in arguably the most high-profile case in Guam's history.
Some other accommodations will probably be designating a certain staging area for media so that court operations are not going to be interrupted to make sure that the court patrons and the public have constant and continuing access. There will be 6 other trial courts in session at that time.
Tenorio also talks about the challenge in responding to Japanese media requests and inquiries.
I'd say there are about more than 20 Japanese media organizations that have national and international presence and on a regular basis. And one of the priorities, of course, is to try and educate the Japanese media and adjust their expectations to our American judicial criminal justice system, which is a little different than what the Japanese are used to. One driving question in the beginning has always been, has there been a motive established in it? That's because establishing a motive is a priority, it seems, in the Japanese system. Here, they're really looking for, what is the condition of the defendant. They want to know when the trial is going to be.
Judge Sokola is expected to make a decision on the request for a defense expert tomorrow. And while her decision will be made public, discussion will be limited to certain parties because the matter is sealed. DeSoto has pleaded not guilty by reason of mental illness, and his psychological evaluation will be analyzed by a defense expert if one is appointed.